Where are you going to jump to?
I'm going to jump to blue.
To blue. I don't see blue. Oh, this blue there. Okay, ready? Yeah. 1, 2, 3. Whoa! Now what color are you going to jump to? Can you jump to red?
Yes. I do Freddy first.
1, 2, 3. Red! Can you jump to yellow?
Well, I need to take it far.
1, 2, 3. You did it. Now where?
To blue and blue.
Blue and blue. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Whoa, you made it. Now where?
To red, purple.
Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Pink.
Okay, jump to pink. Oh! You did it. What's Matthias doing?
She's kind of. Okay, 1. Green.
What?
Green, orange.
Do you think you can make it all the way to green? Try. 1.
Okay, now I need to go all the way to the other side.
Oh, you're a problem solver. That's a good idea. 1. You did it.
Okay, so I'm going to go over here. I'm over here. First, and then get out of the way.
Matthias, just, he'll do it. Give him a sec.
Mom.
Yes?
Now purple with purple, red, purple with red.
Okay. Do it.